When your client says, I found someone cheaper, this is what they mean. In this video, I'm about to break down all of the mistakes that was made on this car. No, this was not our team. And no, I'm not gonna bash the person who did it because I don't know who did it, because they may have been learning, but I do know that this was not done right. So as I walk around this car, wait, hold on. Did you subscribe to our channel yet? Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, because if you're running into these problems, you need this video. I looked around this whole car. I tried to find one panel that was decent, something where I wouldn't even say anything about. I could not find it. What I'm here to do is help you not deal with any of these mistakes, so that way you can perfect your craft each and every day that you wrap. This is a simple mistake. Before we even go into any of these, I know the type of vinyl that they use. This right here is vivid vinyl. It's very tough to deal with, especially as a beginner. But this problem goes along with anybody who raps, like as a beginner. This shows that you've tried to stretch too far this way and it started to peel back this way on you. And even if you was kind of good, you was short right here when you cut. I don't even know why you cut. I mean, you didn't make it. It wasn't there. This part right here lets me know that you pulled up. Even though you stretched right here, you pulled up and you forgot to do one thing. Relax the vinyl. Aside from the problem at the top, can you see the other problem right here? You see that? That right there. That means they did not even dismantle this car. This is a white car. If you cut short, what do you think is gonna show up right here? I get it, rookies make rookie mistakes, but don't be that type of rookie. Take it off. Dismantle the car as needed. It makes your life a lot more easier. In classes that we have, myself as well as Trouble Raps, we have dismantle classes where we can easily show you how to dismantle a car, step by step. As you can see, okay, minus the dirt. They must have went mud and I don't even freaking know. You can see like it's something behind here that's bubbled up. This is Bondo. It's not sticking. The person that was wrapping this tried to do the Bondo themselves. Don't do that. Take it to a body shop if you don't know how to do this yourself. You are not an expert at bodywork, wrapping, tinting, PPF, and everything else that goes into car customization. Focus on one thing. What I do is I'll take it to a body shop. They can do this correctly in a fraction of the time. Now, yes, it does cost money, but put that in your invoice. This area right here is very tricky. Now, yes, I know you see white right here. Unless you're taking out the glass, you might see a little white, but that's not the problem that I'm addressing right here. Why in the world is this still up? Yeah, we're gonna have to start with this one. And what happened is, again, they did not take this off. I barely tapped it. There's so much dust and dirt came out of that. And that's the reason why this happened. This is the real problem. It's just bubbled up. They did not recess or relax this vinyl down into the areas. And when they did, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. As you can see, they tried to squeeze you so hard right there into this that it cut the vinyl. And they didn't realize it, but they tried their best. How do you fix this? If these are deep recesses and you can't do this in one shot, do it in inlays. Trust me.
Son, no way.
No knifeless tape, they just cut right on it. One thing good I can say about this installer is I don't see any bubbles. Take that back, yes I do. That ain't coming out. Now, for this hood, it's a very large piece, and yes, I would say this is not their fault or anything like this. And they did okay, but once again, they did not dismantle. There's no way you should ever have that. The reason why is because these are fairly easy to come off. You don't need anything but pliers. This one right here, I get it. I used to struggle with this a lot. It's this area right here. You can already see it's already showing white, but that's not even a real problem right there. You see that? When it peels up, that lets me know that more of this is gonna peel up, and it's gonna keep doing that. Once again, you're like, bro, what's the simple fix on this? You keep telling me all of these problems, what's the fix? You section this off. When you have this piece right here, and then it goes from here all the way down, and then goes up and goes all the way across right here, you're gonna get this cut out in the L shape. Then you're gonna start to section it off where you're gonna remove the vinyl from here down. But you have to have it slid into this area. Slide it into this area and then peel the paper back and down, and then get it all the way out the way. If you struggle with this, I know what you should do, and I know you know what I'm gonna say. Join my class. We're actually starting up a master class on this one where you can wrap your own car with us. This doesn't look too bad. I'm not really worried about that. What I'm more focused on is why in the world do I see white right in between this? The client did not pay for the door jambs to get wrapped, but he did pay for the visible limit of this vehicle to be wrapped. He just needed a little lip. I don't even trip off of this either, because I get it. If you didn't have enough knifeless tape, you just didn't invest in any, you can use your blade and cut very cleanly. But if you cut deep, you just cut on the client's car. As you can see, B's already heated. He don't like nothing on this. This is the biggest problem that I see on this car. Every corner looks like this. You think I'm joking? If your corner game is sus, you definitely need to come and take a class. I'm not even gonna say take our class, take a class. Take this class. I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but beat. Corners is something that everyone needs to focus on. And yes, I get it, even myself. Most of these mistakes I've done. When a client drops off their car to us, we spend one whole day making sure that it's properly post-heated so that way it doesn't show any of this. If it does, then we got the car. We could go ahead and fix it right then and there. We even have it to where you can practice, not even in our class, but at home with our online class to show you these smaller things and fix those simple mistakes so you don't keep dealing with this. What's wrong with it now? Now this one we gotta address and let the client know because this is not us. We did not do that. So what they did was they was wrapping this door right here and then they cut on this side. When they cut, they put their blade right in and they didn't realize they was cutting on the rubber. I'm telling you right now, the simple fix on when you have seals between the door, you can use knifeless tape if you don't feel comfortable putting your blade back. I suggest you put regular tape on the seal. I want your blade poking out that far. So anytime you want to be the client that says, hey, found someone cheaper, it goes from $4,000 for this type of job, and then you got it for half that cost, you about to get half a wrap. For the clients out there that's watching this, be careful. You got to see some work, not a photo, video, something. Ask questions. How long you been wrapping for? What type of vinyl do you use? Do you use knifeless tape? Do you know how to clay bar? It's okay to ask all of these questions because you're paying out thousands of dollars. You need those right answers. And now I get it, some of them may not have the answers right off the bat. If they get the right answers, then let them work with you. But if you don't feel like you're working with someone that's fairly new, in this video right here, I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks if you wanna do the wrap yourself from home.